Hello everyone, in this video we will solve exercise 9.5 of class 8 from question number 2nd. Second question of exercise 9.5 is use the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square a plus b multiplied by x plus ab to find the following products. And first part of the question is x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7. First part of the second question is x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7. Here we are going to apply identity x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b in a bracket multiplied by x plus a multiplied by b. So in this question we have x plus 3 and x plus 7. In place of a we have 3. In place of b, we have 7 and in place of x, we have x. So, we will put all these values in this identity. So, we can write x in the place of x. We can write 3 in the place of a. We can write 7 in place of b. In place of x, we are going to write x. Again, in place of a, we can write 3 multiplied by. In place of b, we can write 7. So, here after this step, we have x square plus 3 plus 7 is 10. So, 10x plus 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So, 21. Our answer is x square plus 10x plus 21. In this way, you can solve its second part. Now move to its third part. Third part is 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 1. Third part of this question is 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 1. Here we are going to apply property x plus a plus x plus b is equal to x square a plus b multiplied by x and plus a multiplied by b. So here in place of x we have 4x, in place of a we have minus 5, in place of b we have minus 1. So we are going to put all these values in our identity. We can write 4x whole square in place of x square. Similarly, we can write minus 5 in the place of a and minus 1 in the place of b. Multiply by x and we have 4x in the place of x. In third term, we can write minus 5 multiply by minus 1. After solving this, we have 4x whole square means 16x square. Minus 5 minus 1 means minus 6 multiply by 4x plus minus 5 multiplied by minus 1 is 5. So our answer is 16x square minus 24x plus 5. In this way, you can solve remaining parts of question number 2nd. Now move to third question. Third question is find the following squares by using the identities. And first part of this question is b minus 7 whole square. Question is b minus 7 whole square. This question will solve with the help of second identity a minus b whole square. And a minus b whole square is a square minus twice ab plus b square. In place of a we have b and in place of b we have minus 7. So after substituting all the values we have b whole square minus 2 multiply by b multiply by 7 plus 7 whole square. After solving this step we have b square minus 14b plus 49. It is the solution of the first part of the third question. In this way you can solve its second and third part. Now move to its fourth part, and fourth part is 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n whole square. So students, it is clear from the question that this question will solve with the help of first identity a plus b whole square, and a plus b whole square is a square plus twice of ab plus twice plus b square. So here in place of a we have 2 upon 3m, and in place of b we have 3 upon 2n. After substituting this value in our identity, we have 2 upon 3m whole square plus 2 multiplied by 2 upon 3m multiplied by 3 upon 2n plus b square means 3 upon 2n whole square. Square of 2 is 4 divided by square of 3 is 9 m square. Here 3 and 3 will cancel out, 2 and 2 will cancel out, so we have 2mn, and third term is 9 upon 4 n square. It is the solution of this question. In this way you can solve its fifth and sixth part.